Okay. So very easy only. Just to focus here. So what is the function name? Sum. Where I have some attributes like what a equal to input, b equal to input. Where I'm taking the input from the user. Then simply can do what? C equal to a plus b. Return C. One more return statement I have, but we can't execute. Only we can execute only what? One return statement only. Okay, so this you have to keep or don't keep. Nothing happens. Then print the sum. We are calling sum. If you call sum, what happens? Nothing is going to happen because there's no print statement. That's I'm writing at what? A print then sum. So now run the code. We'll pass a value 3 and b value 4. So 3 plus 4 is what? 7. But if I keep comment for fifth line, then what happens? Sixth line gets what? Executed. Either I can print C or else in this way. How you want to print. Again, we write the code. So A value 4 and B value suppose 6. 4 plus 6, how much? 10. What will come? The value of A value, how much? 4. The value of 4 plus 6 is 10. So how you want to maintain clarity that you can maintain. Okay. Simply what? Function to return the sum value. Basic. Okay. Very basic ones. Any doubt is there this one? Okay. Next one. Understanding what assert statement. So already think we have done somewhere this assertion. Okay. Same thing here again. X equal to, I'm taking something input. What I'm asking, this input part is optional. Whether you want to pass message or not, it is in your hands. What I'm saying, assert, if value greater than 18, then print what? Age is what? Suppose it is what? Less. Greater, nothing happens. Okay. Let me run the code once here. Run the code. Suppose what I'm saying, greater than or equal to 18. Suppose if I pass the what? 27. 27 greater than or equal to 18. Yes or no? Yes. Nothing is going to happen. Anything happened there? No. But if I pass value less than what? 18 now. Suppose if I pass value like what? 14. 14 greater than or equal to 18. False. It is not greater than or not equal to. What will come? Age is less than 18. So you can see there. Assertion error. Age is less than 18. And this print statement is what? Optional. You want to print or not? It is what your choice there. Suppose example. If I pass the age as what now? Suppose 16. What will come if I pass 16? Assertion error. Age is less than 18. But if I pass age above like what? 20 or something, 21 or 22 or whatever it is, 22. What will come now? Nothing. But what will come? Just simply third line gets what now? Executed. First of all, third line is what? Optional. But still, if I'm executing what gets printed there, you are eligible to what? Space. How much is exactly there? 22. Okay. The simple assertion statement. Okay. Next one. Okay. No. Next function definition there. What I'm doing in this program, can you understand once? I'm having how many functions? 2 functions. What are the function names? Sum and sub. Where both the arguments are same. You can take same also, you can take different also, your choice. Here C equal to A plus B and here what? B equal to A minus B. And even you can do addition, subtraction, multiplication as per your choice. So in sub function, what I'm doing there, subtraction and what? Multiplication. Now, let me pass the values manually and then try to call. So we pass the values like what? 2 and 4 on 2 and 3. Suppose what will come first of all? Sum will get called. A value 2, B value 3. 2 plus 3, how much? 5. What will come? Sum equal to space 5. Next, what will get called sub. In sub, whom I'm calling first of all, sub here, D equal to A minus B. So 2 minus 3, how much? Sub equal to minus 1. What about 2 into 3? 6. So first one what will get here? Sum equal to 5. Next line, sub equal to minus 1. Space, multiplication, how much answer? 6. Okay, now? So in one program, you can do multiple things. This is a function definition program, basic program. Okay. Next one, 25. Function with what? Return now. This all programs basic we have seen. Okay, already only. Just what go through. That's it. C equal to what? A plus K, H plus K, addition, subtraction. Both the things I'm doing now at one time. So run the code once now. What will be output now? Suppose A value 3 and B value 4. So 2 plus 4, 6 and 2 minus 4, minus 2. Anything answer came there? No, because you're not printing there. So we have to print. So print C comma T. What will come? Suppose if I write A value 4 and B value 6. 4 plus 6, 10. Space 4 minus 6, how much? Minus 2. So 10 comma 10 space minus 2. Okay. If you want, you can print in this way also, as per your choice, in remaining ways also. So again, I'll pass now 4 and we'll pass 6. What will come? 4 plus 6 is what? 4 plus 6, 10 here and minus 2. What about here? The sum of A plus B. C value how much? 10. The value of A minus B is how much? Minus 2. Next one, the value of 4 plus 6 is 10 and the value of 4 minus 6 is minus 2. So it is in your hands how you want to print the answers. Then what will be this answer? Can you tell me once? Input type hidden placeholders where I'm using format, or else you can use f strings, or you can use what? Modulus. Okay, what will come? Same value. Whatever you want to print, you can print the value there. First I have printed there what? A. You can pass here what? A, then pass here B. As per your choice. Whatever you want to print, you can print the value there. Input type. This is a simple what? Input types. Okay, here also you can pass A, then you can pass here what? B. Okay. But I don't think this is necessary now, because already input types are done. This is enough. Next one, 26th one. Function to return what? Several values. Now, function to return several values. Now, what I'm returning now? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now, x and y value have taken variables where I'm taking the x value and y value. Then passing in the function there. X will take n1 value, y will take what? N2 value. So print AR, calling the function with what? AR, printing them. So run the code. So x value suppose 3 and b value 4, y value 4. So what will come first of all? 3 plus 4. Yeah, 1 minute. So 3 plus 4, what will first of all? 3 plus 4. Sorry. 7. Next to 3 minus 4, minus 1. Next to 3 into 4, 12. Next to 3 divided by 4, something 0 point something. Okay, don't know. So run the code once. Press enter there. Okay, came all answers came. And why here float answers are getting? Because we have taken x and y values in terms of what? Float. If you have taken int answer will come there. But if you don't want these points like this, what? Suppose you don't want these commas and brackets, then keep the what? Star. So again run the code. Suppose a value 3 and b value, or a value 4 and b value 5. 4 plus 5, 9. All this will come. 4 plus 5, 9. So answer things. Commas and brackets got what now? Ignored. Or else if you want to print line by line also, you can print line by line also. How you want to print, you can print. So clear screen once again. Run the code. So we'll pass a value 5 and b value 5. Okay, as you wish. How you want to get printed, you can print the values. I can print backslash and also as you wish. Next, sorting group numbers. Now, how you can actually sort? A simple way to sort. Tell me once. Simple. Take list, then reverse equal to what? True. If you want to get in what? Ascend, descending order. Okay. Suppose you pass elements like what? 6, 7, 1, 12, 4, 7, 1, 3, 2. Enter. How you got in the descending order? If you want in ascending order, simply list dot sort. No need of passing reverse equal to false, all those things. If you want, you can pass reverse equal to false also. This is a very easiest way. Next way is what we can do is what now? According to function topic now. According to the function. So what is the function name here? Num sort. You can take any name where I have an argument. I'm sorting, then trying to print. Whatever there in that what list, I'm printing in what now? With a space. So enter numbers now. So I'm taking the input from the user now. Run the code. Suppose let us pass 5, 8, 2, 4, 9, 1, 3. Enough. Okay. Press enter there. What happened in this output now? First of all, in that list, numbers came in what in the list there. Okay, I've taken what one? List. Yes or no? This V is what type? List type. That's how you got the answer in terms of what? List. Next it printed what it called the function there. Where we are getting the answer what? With a space. But if I don't keep it this way, we'll get in what now? Vertical direction. Line by line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Simple logic. Next. What is local and global? Local means what? Only inside the function can be used. What is global? Outside the function can be used. If I want is local as global, then declare as what? Local as what? Global first of all. Okay. So focus here once again. Now, A is equal to 8 is what? Global or local? Global. And A equal to 10 is local or global? Local. So now, what is the function if I run this code? What is the output now? First I'm calling function. What will get printed there? The local variable A is space 10. Then what happens after 10? What will get printed now? The global variable value is how much? Simple. Okay. But if I don't have the value A equal to 10 here now, what is the answer now again now? The local variable value is space will take from the global now. Okay, what will come? 8. And what about here? 8. Both are 8. Okay. And suppose in the global not there now. Then what about the 6 line will work there? 6 line won't work. Okay, 6 line will not work. You can't take from the local there. What will come? Name error. Name A is not defined. But if I want to use, then how? Declare first of all global A. Then now can we use? So now can we use? Yes. What will come now? First function call the local variable value is space 10. Then the global variable value is space 10. Okay now. So let me remove this one because I'm doing the basic ones. Now you tell me the answer. I won't tell any answer now. Take your time, 1 minute of time. Then tell me the answer. Take pen paper. After 1 minute, then you can answer. Take pen and paper. Because already this topic I done last week. Take pen paper. Okay. Don't guess. Okay. Guessing part is over now. Okay. First of all, print text I'm calling. Will take from local or global? First it will take from what? Global. What will come? 20. Calling the function f1. What will come? Global x equal to 5, print x. This x will take from whom? From here. What will come? 5. Now print x. Now x will take the value from where? From global or local now? Once function called, now it will take from the within the function now. What is x value now? 5. So run the code. But if I don't call the function, now it will take from where? From the global. Okay. Once if I call the function, it will take from values from where? From the function only, within the function only. Okay. So this is what you have seen in the last class. Clear now? Okay. Next. Assign function to a variable. Now, what will be the answer this one now? First of all, function name is display, return high place string. St equal to input, enter your name. I'm saying a equal to display. I'm storing the object in the what variable called as a, or you can say an object, print a. It will take the value normally also and from the user also. If I pass the value now, suppose like what? HD. What will be the first output? High space HD. Next time high space, I'm passing the what? Check 6th line there. I'm passing the what? Python. So you can take normally also, you can take from the keyboard also. Okay, this is a basic which I have done already. Okay, nothing advanced are doing there. Just a go through. Okay. What about in this case now? So if I execute, suppose again HD there now. What will come? ST equal to HD there. First I'm passing what? Hello. So what will come? Your name is space hello. Next, print. Your name is given by ST. What will come name given there? HD. Then now last what will come there? Your name is space Python. So whom I'm calling first, that also matters. First I'm calling hello, then I'm calling HD here, then I'm calling here Python. Okay. Depends upon your calling, whom you're calling them. Okay, basic programs. Next, function inside what now? Another function. So how many functions are there now? From here onwards, little bit tough will be there. Okay. From starting from 30 to 35, will be little bit tough. Okay. Little bit tough, not much tough, little bit tough. So focus now. How many functions I have now? 2 functions. First function name is display. Second function name is what? Message. Inside second function, what I'm having the return, how are you? Now m equal to message, whatever the message I'm passing plus string concatenation. Return name. N value I'm taking from the user, so I'll pass any name. In I'm showing in a variable called as s, which is calling the what display here. The n value, whatever I'm passing, will be shown in what now? St. Then I'm printing what? S value. Whatever their message I want to get what now? Printed. Suppose I'm passing there what? HD. What happens now? Name HD, calling the function. Function gets called how are you? Plus HD. What will come message? What is there? HD there. HD space what will come there? Simple more. How are you space HD will come. So enter there. How are you space HD? Because this message part, message plus what? String. ST value is how much there? HD. Okay, simple program. One function inside what? Another function. Once look at the program, any doubt is there, you can ask once. Any doubt? Okay. Next function, pass parameters to another functions. Now how many functions first of all? 2. Here I can't return part there. Okay. So if I first execute this path, what will be the output? Anything is going to come. If I execute just the first 2 lines, nothing is going to happen. Nothing is going to happen. Okay. So now I have to print there. So I'm executing both the print statements and I'm passing all the things now. So now the answer will be showed in a variable called as what now? A. Suppose if I'm passing there what? A value as what? Suppose here HD. What will happen? B equal to display, print B. Display gets called. What will come? How is your programming going on? Space HD. That's the first output. Next one, I am passing now what? B equal display of what? Message now. What will come here? A value, nothing there. Yes or no? A value how much? HD there. What will come again here again? Display of message now. Display of message. Again, what will come? How is your programming going on space? HD. Next I'm passing there what? Hello. Simple program. Okay. So run the code once. HD there. How many times getting called? 2 times here. First of all, HD. Why? First time why HD there? Because I'm passing there what? A value has HD there. So here it gets what? Called there. So what will come? HD. Next time again, how is the programming? HD. Why? Display of message. Display containing what name? HD. That is getting what? Called with what? Return A again. So what is return A containing going to what? Again this one part. How is the programming going on space? HD. Next time passing there what? Manually. What I'm passing there what? Hello. So name will be what now? Hello. How is the programming going on space? Hello. Last I'm calling what? B equal to message. Print B. Now A value containing what? HD. Okay. A value containing what? HD. So if I print return A, what is A value? HD. So HD coming here. Okay. Check once. Any doubt is there, you can ask once. You can pass manually also, you can pass automatically also, you can pass directly to the keyboard also. Okay. Next, function return what? Other functions. How many functions now? 2. One function inside another function. Same there, message there. Okay, return what? Hi, how are you? Return message. A equal to display, print A. Suppose if I'm passing A value as what now? Suppose anything happened. First of all, I'm taking the input anywhere. No, yes or no? I'm not taking input from anywhere now. So run the code once again. Clear screen once again. So run once. What is getting printed there? Hi space. How are you? Simply what I wrote A equal to display, then printing the A part. That's it. Simple program. Nothing I'm writing here. Okay, nothing passing any kind of arguments. If I pass suppose like any here, then if I want to print any value here, print n. Then here also pass suppose like what? HD there. If I like this, it will not work. See here. I have to call in that what? Runtime here, not there. Now print a value. What will come? Hi, how are you? Space HD. So clear screen once, run the code. So if you want to pass, you can pass, or else you don't want to pass, don't pass. It is your choice, but not compulsory. Okay. Function return what? Other functions. Next, passing string function. What will come output thing once and tell me? Suppose ht equal to what? HD. I'll take the name as what? HD now. Print p of ht. Ht value containing HD there. Ht gets called. Hello space HD. Simple. Run the code. Hello space HD should be the output. It's just taking some time. See, clear screen once again. So I'll pass the value as what is. Suppose HD. You can pass any name. Okay. Passing string to as what? Function. When it is what? Place here means what? Take it as what? Input there. Okay. If you are doing the int there, then place here will work there? No. Concatenation not possible again. Okay. Next. Passing list function now. Passing list function. What is the function name? N. I'm passing one argument called as ln. ln dot insert 1,9. What is the meaning of this one? Insert at what position? 1 position. What value you want to insert? 9. Print lm. lm equal to what I have taken already? 1, 2, 3. nlm. If I run this code, what will happen? happen? 1, 2, 3 then na? 1, 2, 3. What is the position of 0? 0 position, what is there? 1. 1 position, what is there? 2. 2 position, what is there? 3. What I'm saying here, when they're calling the function there, lm dot inside 1, 9. At position 1, inside there what? 9. So what will happen now? 1, 9, 2, 3. Or 2 gets popped up. No, no. So run the code once. Okay. This is a method. You can even use append also. You can use other methods, pop, all those things. Suppose if I want to pop, I can use what? Pop, I can pass the index value. Suppose like what index value, what? 1. What will be output? Can you tell me once now? So what will be the answer now? What is in the position of 1? 2. 2 gets what now? Popped out. If I run this code, what will get what now? 1, 3. Okay. If you can pop, you can add, you can append, whatever there. If I append, what will happen now? Suppose append 77. What will be output now? 1, 2, 3, 77. Append means what? I'll add the end of the list. So whatever message you want to do, you can do that. Okay, clear now? Next, factorial recursive function. But if I don't know all these things also, it's fine. Simply I can use import math.factorial 4. What's the math for? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This factorial, okay, simple formula. 4 into 3, 12. 12 to the 24. So 24 is your answer. That's it. So run the code once. Got it? If I do 5, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is what? 120. But if you do with the help of functions, then different logic will come. Simply what I can do now, what is the function name? Factorial. You can take any name. If I'm saying, if how much is 0 factorial? 0 factorial, always remember, 0 factorial is how much? 1. Even 1, how much? 0 factorial 1. 1 also how much? 1. 2 factorial 2. 2 into 1 like this. 3 factorial. Yes, 3 factorial means what? 3 into 2 into 1. Which is what? 6. Okay. Like the same things. So if it is 0, written what there? 1. Because 0 factorial what? 1. If it is not equal to 0, then what I'm saying, n into factorial n minus 1. Whatever the value is there, multiply with what? So and so. Okay. That's the only thing here. Written R. So if I run the code, suppose if I pass now 5. 5, how much? 5 is equal to 0? No. So 5 into factorial, 5 minus 1, 4. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. What will come? 120. Which is what? Returning what? R there. What will come here? Output 5 factorial equal to how much? 5 factorial? 120. No. I have to press 5, then press what? Enter. Okay. You can take 6 value, 4 value, whatever is there, you can take. So this is a simple program regarding what? Recursive of a function there. Okay. So with the function, these programs are done. Okay. Basic, I think we done these programs. Then we have to start with what? Advanced Python topics. Okay. Abstraction, inheritance, concepts. Okay. So tomorrow I'll be starting with what? Okay. Or else now we'll start. We'll continue. Okay, now? Okay, no? Okay. So, okay. So part 1, part 2, we'll discuss again now. Part 3, part 4. These are very, very important now. Okay. Whatever I'm discussing now, this is only the concept of oops. Okay. In the Python, oops, if you understand means what? You have to compulsory know only one topic here. In the Python, only what? One topic enough. The remaining things you know, don't know, not important. But you have to be compulsory, very easy only, okay? Very easy topic. Called as what? Inheritance. Not like Java, we have to know encapsulation, then we have to know abstraction, all those things. Because in Python, hacking part is there here. So how much you protect, it will not get protected. We have some loopholes. That is why we have to understand if you're doing programming or full stack or any other things. If you want to do multiple things at one time, then go with what concept? Inheritance. But this also, if you don't know, also it's fine. So in Python, it is not like compulsory. You have to understand OOPS concept. If you know, it's fine. Don't know also, it's what? Fine. But not like compulsory. In the case of Java, listen very properly again. In the case of Java, without OOPS, it is nothing. Java is equal to what? Is equal to OOPS. If I don't, suppose if I say I know Java, but I don't know OOPS concept, then Java is waste. Java main thing providing security to you. But in the Python case, whether you know or don't know Python, you know or don't know what OOPS concept, whether you know or don't know what data structures, fine. No kind of restrictions here. Everything is possible in the Python without OOPS concept, with OOPS concept, without data structures, with data structures. Why? Because we have here packages. Ready-made, everything is available. Like how import math is there, import this is there. So no need of understanding. Just import them, khatam. You can use them. So no need of knowing what those concepts. But if you know, it's very, very fine. Don't know also, it's fine. So think like no, we have to know. Okay, we have to know. Okay. So let me just start here. Part 1 topic here. Tell me the answer now, fast. What is the now? Focus properly now. This is a very, very important concept. Okay, very, very important. As per OOPS concept. If you don't know OOPS, leave it again. So first, what is the function name? Py. Py having what? Print hello Python. Print hello Python. If I don't pass this third line is in the comment part. I'm calling the py. What is the message get printed there? Hello space Python. But what I'm doing in the third line now, I'm even passing one more time the function there. Calling the function what? Itself. Then what happens now? This py gets called. But for how many times? So we can't say how many times it is getting called now. We can't say. Why? Understand carefully here. First I'm calling py. One time I called. First time call or one time call. Okay, done. Inside this function, again in third line, again I'm calling the function there. Coming, calling, coming, calling, coming, calling. Going on repeating there. This part, a function calling itself. A function then a function calling itself is called as the recursive function. Okay, make a point there. A function calling itself. A function calling itself is called as what? Recursive function. So in that interview, sometimes they may ask you, what is recursive function? Simple. A function calling itself is called as recursive function. Then simple write a program, because theory part waste it is not. Okay. Waste means waste. So what you do, just tell this online, then focus on what now? Write the code. Simply inside the function call what? One more function. The same function you get called. This is a program for what? A recursive function. So, okay, fine, we told, okay, program we told. But we want proof now. You told calling itself for multiple times. So see once the output also now, it gets what? Printed, but what? Infinite times now. So focus once here properly. So run the code. See here. Went within seconds, fraction of seconds. Let me show again, clear screen. Very speedy it goes, okay? So focus again properly. See here, within seconds. So last read there what? Recursion error, maximum recursion depth exceeded while calling a Python object. Okay, this is error you get. If you call the function within the itself, then at the last what you'll get there? Recursion error, maximum recursion depth exceeded while calling a Python object. Make a note of this one. Or and keep star marks now, okay? Because whatever do you know are very, very important. If you're from campus point of view, it's important. If you don't know, then you're fine. But some people they ask in the interview, some people they don't ask. 10% chance of asking, 90% chance of what? Not asking. Okay. Now, part 2. In the part 2, what I'm doing is simple now. Think once and tell me now. Because all these programs you already done. What will come now? Py getting what? One argument is, so you have to pass one argument compulsory. If I don't pass any argument, will not work. So what I'm passing now, Python. And please install what? Update your laptop to 3.10.2. Okay, see here. I am using Python 3.10.2. So uninstall 3.10.1. Install what? 3.10.2. So what will get first printed there? Print Python space. What will come? 3.10.2. Next to Python space Shiva, Python space Karthik, Python Sneha, Python Priya, Python Krishna. So now you can pass your names here, okay, as you wish. So this is a basic second one program. This is a part 2 program. Okay, I think don't have any kind of doubts here. Okay, and just wait a minute.